A motorcycle shop is more than a place where machines get repaired. These walls carry decades of stories, craftsmanship, road trips, and hard earned experience. The earliest shops were built around simple tools, mechanical knowledge, and trust. That knowledge has been passed from one generation of technicians to the next. Good motorcycle work has always required patience, precision, and respect for every part. But the culture was never only about repairing engines or replacing worn parts. Shops became gathering places where riders shared advice, routes, memories, and friendships. The motorcycles created a shared identity built around freedom, independence, and the open road. Every motorcycle that comes through the door carries a story with it. Understanding the rider is often just as important as understanding the motorcycle. A skilled shop protects the personality of the bike while making it dependable. Today, traditional craftsmanship works alongside modern diagnostics, electronics, and advanced equipment. The equipment changes, but the standards of quality, honesty, and responsibility remain the same. Keeping these motorcycles on the road also keeps their history and culture alive. Because in a shop like this, every repair helps another rider continue the journey.